Hello guys, good evening and welcome back. Alright, so in this video I want to briefly give us some insights on how to be a good fashion designer, because most people do ask me how to achieve or attain being a good fashion designer. So one of the reasons, there are around 7 or 8 in number. So one of the reasons is, number one, you need to be creative. Now, creativity as a fashion designer is an essential part of your work. You should always try to think outside the box and come up with a unique design that stands out from the crowd, right? Don't always copy what you see online. Now, number two, stay current. Now, keeping up to date with the latest fashion trends and styles is very crucial for a fashion designer. Now, your job, you must have a unique vision and perspective to create designs that can stand out, right? Now, this can be done frequently, often. Now, furthermore, you stay updated, keep up with the latest trends, styles, and technologies in the fashion industry. Attend fashion shows, read fashion magazines, follow fashion channels on YouTube and subscriptions, DSTV and stuff, right? And then follow fashion blogs and connect with other designers to stay relevant. Always make sure you make friends with fashion designers. Now, number three is take risk. Now, don't be afraid to take risk and experiment with new designs. Some of the most successful fashion designers have found success by pushing the boundaries and taking risks. Now, these are what makes you a good fashion designer. Number four is attention to details. Now, you must pay attention to the small details such as the stitching, colors, texture to create a cohesive and polished look from your works, right? Now, number five, communication. Now, communication skills are essential for a fashion designer. You must be able to effectively communicate with clients, team members, and manufacturers to ensure that your vision is translated into the final product, right? Now, number six is technical skills. Now, good fashion designers must have a strong understanding of the technical aspects of fashion design, including pattern making, sewing, fabric manipulation, and dart manipulation, right? Now, number seven is business savvy. Now, to be successful, fashion designers, you must have a strong business skill. You should know how to market and promote your designs, negotiate contracts, and manage finances, which is very, very essential for all fashion designers. Now, number eight is practice patience. Now, popular saying that says Rome was not built in a day, and neither is a successful fashion line built in a day. Now, patience and perseverance are key points in building a successful career in fashion designing. Now, if you have listened from the number one to the last number eight, you will notice the vital points I had to itemize for us to know and understand how to approach our businesses. Now, some of us play down on some of these points, which in return fire back to us and give us terrible hindrances, terrible setbacks in being a successful fashion designer. Now, in as much as all of us still want to grow, we should not be in a haste, like number eight rightfully pointed, that you should know that Rome was not built in a day. Now, some of us also have this issue of comparing their one step to another man's 10 steps. Now, you cannot be a year old in fashion designing and you are dreaming to compete with someone that has been there for ages. It is not possible. You need to be patient enough to build your contacts, build your experiences, and build your strongness, your stronghold in this fashion business. Now, it is not possible for you, a new fashion designer, to aim at charging exorbitantly when you have not successfully delivered those local jobs that they give you in your area. Now, you also, most of us dream to make clothes for senators, governors, and presidents. Yeah, it's a good vision and ambition, but you should not as well forget that you should start from your next door neighbor. You should start from your best friend. You should start from your brother, your sisters, your parents, for you to move further to that level. Now, there have been a time I only dreamed of making clothes for someone that is wedding, so that he or she can put on my clothes to do a traditional or a white wedding. Now, I was only making clothes for personal use, for local occasions, birthdays, burial and stuff. I've not made a clothes for a wedding, for a client that is wedding. The very first day I got the job was from a referral, a contact I made the clothes for some months ago. He referred me to the person to come to me for his wedding attire. I was so glad. I was so happy. Now, I thought there was something different from the regular clothes I make for those other past clients I have. I got to understand that the only thing needed here is to pay attention to more detailing and to be very careful in selecting designs and color that will make him stand out for on the event day or on the program day. Now, if I had not been making clothes for other regular customers, how do you think I will be able to deliver promptly and with a detailed delivery and services to my customer? So these are more are what you should also be taking very good note of and very good recognize of. Now, all of us will grow. All of us will be a boss someday. All of us will get to that height we are dreaming of. But you need to start somewhere to start building your empire. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video must have given you some insights. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you are a first-time viewer, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the post notification bell, and then if you are a returning viewer, you are welcome. Comment in this video comment section. Let me know how impactful this video might have been to you, and let me know some areas as well you need me to make videos on for us to share and learn together. Thank you for watching. See you in my subsequent videos. Don't forget, my name remains Mr. Redefine Clothing. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.